Hello everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channels. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on your graphic card fan for the beginner builders when you create a when you build your computer and you buy a very expensive graphic card sometime in the beginning. So that happened to me in the beginning. So you see that your graphic card funds it doesn't work and it isn't spinning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on this fan because by default is turned off. So for example, I have an AMD Radeon graphic card, so I'm gonna right click on the AMD Radeon software, and I'm gonna go in the upper part. I'm gonna go to performance. Then, if you see the maybe we can see it right here. The fan speed is 0 RPM, which is it doesn't work at all. So we will go to the tuning part. Then maybe I changed to manual, but maybe in the first time when you open this screen, you will see as a automatic and just hit the manual button and you will see here the fan speed is 0 RPM. For this reason, you will see advanced control is disabled. So you are going to hit enable it and apply change. After that, it should go up. Your fan speed will go up, and you will, if you see your fan on the GPU, it will start working. So that's a reason sometimes your GPU fan it doesn't work. So I'm not talking about sometimes you don't plug the power cable because some GPU they need a different power cable, and some others um, they need a some time it doesn't work at all. Like it's broken and it doesn't work at all. So I'm just talking about the new one and the new beginners. So they are freaking out. So why my fan on the GPU it doesn't work? So check out this option. Maybe that's the reason why your GPU it doesn't work. So that's it. So thank you guys. I appreciate your watching and subscribing my channel. So if you like the video and you want to see more tricks about building computer for the beginners, so subscribe my channel and hit the like and button.